Hey everyone, so today we are covering packaging whole birds. So I've already vacuum sealed all these, but we'll go through the steps of everything. Typically with these shrink type bags, you take the bird, place it inside, you twist the packaging around, and you either zip tie it or you put a hog ring closing off this end. Then you puncture a hole in the center of the breast and dip it in hot water to shrink the packaging, and all the air is released out of that little hole that you would puncture breast side. And then you take your label and you slap over top of it to seal that hole. However, with this bird, what you do is, I have one setting here and I've already set it up. This is a chamber style vacuum packer, and we are going to close the lid. Inside, you got, what's happening is there's a negative pressure that's happening inside the equipment, which also is happening inside the bird. Here in a second, there it goes. It is sealing the, using the seal bar, sealing the packaging. See, it vacuumed itself, and make sure the seal's good. Yep, seal's good. And then what we do is we take this, for purposes, I've been putting them in here, but for this video, I'll go ahead and dip it. Take it, hold the tail, dip it in hot water, flip it over, grab this side, dip the tail side, and you see it wrapped, like it shrunk up that packaging equipment, or the packaging bag. Wipe it down, goes to my scale, flip it over. I hit the print button, prints out my label. I put it on there, and then I take my farm label with safe handling instructions, so you know whose bird it was, and got a 4.94. I'm gonna switch hands real quick. 4.94. And from here into the box. And then this box gets carried over to the walk-in and stays in there. So yeah, if y'all have any questions, feel free to ask. I think this way creates a much better looking product for a whole bird presentation. So again, if you have any questions, feel free to ask, and I'll talk to y'all later. Take care. Bye.